Alright guys, what's going on? Today I'm with my buddy Josh here in his Mark 7 GTI. It has a Cobb tune, stage 2?
Equilibrium tuned, stage 2, pretty much full bolt-ons, so
that's good for about 350 wheel, 350 torque, something like that, kind of ballpark. This is probably going to be the fastest car I've ever driven, definitely fastest car I've reviewed. Maybe the C5 Corvette takes this. Not sure though. So we're gonna give it a little test drive today. So it's a DSG. So I'm gonna put it here to drive.
That's manual mode to the right.
Over to the right, sport mode. Bye-bye. What are these called? The things, the extensions?
I forgot who they're made by. But they're just like DSG paddle extensions.
It's pretty cool too because they're like super big. It makes you feel like you're in like an exotic or something. And this thing isn't too low, so it's not like, I'm not really like, you know, static boys, how I am kind of with the RSX or with John's RSX. So that's pretty nice. What kind of coils is them?
SoloWorks S1 coils. They're pretty good for like, pretty good budget coilovers for German cars. They come in at like $500.
Sick.
I'd be down to do like BCs.
Wow, okay. This thing is really sensitive to the throttle. So right when I'm on it, like 10% throttle, it's like...
It's already going.
Yeah, it wants to go. And the brakes are super sensitive.
Big brakes in the front. EBC rotors and pads on the front.
Not gonna get on it yet. I just want to see how it's like to drive normally. I mean, it's pretty comfortable. This thing is not like bouncy.
Yeah.
You know the spring rates on the coils or no?
No, but I'd assume they're like pretty low. It's not super bouncy.
Sick. This is like 5th gear. And it's like stupid the amount of torque it has. Alright, so I'm gonna get on it on the way back here and see how it feels. I'm gonna be comparing this to like Williams Focus ST. That's the black one I reviewed with the crazy pop stratified tune. So that's kind of what I'm going to be comparing this thing to. Obviously this one's a lot faster. So here we go, 2nd gear. Ooh, she's quick, boys. She's quick. Another 2nd gear hit here. From a
like
roll,
3.5.
This is 30 miles an hour. Hopefully the camera picks up how fast that is.
Oh my gosh. It's so weird being passenger.
Yeah.
Because you can like actually like feel the power.
Yeah.
Because I'm so used to like just driving and I'm like, oh, it's alright. No, but when you're in passenger, it's like...
Passenger is different in every car. Like, it doesn't matter if you have, like, even a slow car. It'll make it feel, like, kind of fast. I guess Josh has, like, a some kind of traction tuning he can do where he can cut down the traction. Before, it was kind of... It would, like, kill too much power and its car would fall on its face. But now he's got it set up to where it kind of just holds it until it catches more traction and then it lets you rev up.
It doesn't cut power.
Yeah, I'm not even gonna try it. I'll try a 1st gear in this, but I think it's just gonna spin.
Yeah.
You have Indy Firehawk 235s.
Yeah.
In the front. And what are your wheels called? I don't even know what your wheels are.
The New Speed, I think they're RSC 10s. They're 18 by 8.5 plus 45.
Yeah, so this is like, I guess GTIs don't really have the ability to go very wide.
That's just like the base setup, if you will.
Right.
Like what everyone goes with.
Right. So we're kind of limited to traction here. The only way that I guess you can get more in the GTI platform is if you do like wide body stuff, but I don't think Josh is going to do that anytime soon. What do you have for like intake?
It's a MST turbo inlet pipe, and then the MST hose, and then a K&N drop-in filter, and then my dad and I, we like dremeled out the front of the grill so that more air would just get rammed in. So mean, it keeps the intake temps pretty low, but I still need to do like a factory mounted intercooler.
You guys know I love the pops. God, I can't see anything.
No, it won't.
Yeah, that helps.
The sun's just right in the middle.
That's too much fun. God, the sun is awful right now. Yeah, that's like the weird thing about turbo cars. When I've driven them, it just is like so weird at low RPMs, the way they just want to go. They have so much torque.
Yeah.
And it's like not instant. So like you step on it a little and it's like, okay, and then it's like, okay, we're going now.
Yeah.
Yeah. So definitely kind of weird. Like third gear right here. And the turbo surge sounding amazing. That's like two of my favorite sounds, is the turbo surge noise of like the big turbo RB25 crap you see on Instagram, or like the you know, the gunshot tunes with the AK-47s. And this car has both of those, so that's super sick.
It just wants to go.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I took this thing out on the canyons, and I've never really driven this car before, and Josh let me rip it through the canyons a little bit, and I made the mistake of getting on it a little too early out of the corner. I had to do that. And the front end just completely stepped out, and we almost went into the other lane basically. Or we went, I guess we were turning left, so I don't know. But
you saved it, so it's all good.
Yeah, this thing definitely
You can do like a little first gear if you want.
suffers from some of that. Make sure there's no cops. All right, I'm gonna try first gear from a roll, 20 miles an hour. It shifted early. It shifted. Ooh! It shifted for me there, so I accidentally clicked it one more. Wow, that was crazy. I could do that all day long. Hopefully the camera picks that up. What is that?
That thing was cool. Oh my gosh.
What's like the pop tune on this? So is it like a stratified, like the way the STs work, or is that?
EQT, they call it the like burble tune, but I wouldn't really consider it burbles.
Yeah, this is more like gunshots.
It really only does like 5 pops. It's not like stratified, or like, I think APR does like, or their old revision of the tune did like 3 pops. Now it more like now it's more like continuous, but this one's like, it's not like it's like a mixture.
Yeah.
It does like 5 pops, and like the higher RPM, the more like gunshot
Aggressive,
sounding. Yeah.
I'm gonna stop that before I get in trouble. It's just like way too addicting. And this thing, like, because it's not a manual, because you do have the paddles, it's like kind of urging you to like step on it more, because you have more of this, like,
more
it's just so
control.
easy. Like in a manual, you have to work for the power, or you have to do like a clutch, and then you have to do the shifter throw. This thing is just like, bam, I'm in the right gear.
It's just instant.
Yeah. So this is definitely a car I would get a lot of tickets in if I owned it. I'm gonna try third gear here from 2,500 RPMs. See how much bottom end it has. So it downshifted for me. Damn. I kind of wanted to see third though, but it downshifted.
Try it again, but did you hit that little click?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, don't do that. Just put your foot to the ground with no click.
Okay. definitely have all that bottom end. We're not waiting for some big turbo to spool up. This is a fun car, dude.
Yeah. If you just want to do like a stage 2 tune, do like EQT, APR, Unitronic, or like stratified, pretty much all you need, or you could do what I did with like the air box. You can customize that, or get like a cold air intake, downpipe, and you don't really need a catback, and then you just pretty much need the tune. That's all you need for like the stage 2, and I think stage 2 plus is like with a turbo, so.
Oh wow. Alright, I'm gonna do launch control. I'm gonna launch it. Alright, I'm gonna stop in the middle of the road here. How do you do it? Full brakes?
Full brakes. Is traction off? Yeah, full brakes, full gas.
I'm gonna launch it here. Jesus Christ.
Oh my gosh.
Holy shit. Wow.
Oh my God! Wow!
That was pretty violent. I definitely felt the front end. I think this thing has some kind of limited stuff. I definitely felt the front end walk on me there a little bit. And then once it cut the power in first, otherwise I would have just been limiter the whole way.
Yeah.
It did cut the power.
Yeah, I don't know how to get rid of that though.
Yeah. So even with traction off, it kind of has like a little bit of
still wants to
traction
cut
control.
power.
Yeah. Damn, it lit them up though in first and some of second. If it weren't for the traction control, second would be rev limiter as well. Yeah, this car is way too much fun. And it handles pretty good too. I will say there's a little bit of understeer.
Yeah. I feel like if I did more like suspension mods for that, like, how do I say it?
If I had this car, I'd put on like a bigger rear sway or maybe some different spring rates on the coils to get a little bit more of a loose feeling. And have the rear end be a little bit more happy, but this is perfect if you're just daily driving and every once in a while you go canyons.
Mm-hmm.
And this thing it is pretty fast in the canyon, so nothing really to complain about, just a little bit of understeer feel.
It's been pretty reliable. I'm at almost 36,000 miles, so. All right, so pretty much my exhaust setup, I have a CTS catted downpipe, I know. It has a high flow cat. And then a Borla catback. It was originally non-resonated, but then it was way too loud with the downpipe, so I added I forgot what they called it. It's just a vibrant, like a bottle can style resonator, and that it toned down the sound, or it took down the noise level, but the tone, it kept it the same, and it just sounds pretty good right now. So
super sick. So yeah, I think that's really where I'm gonna wrap things up here. This car is super fun. You guys saw it is super fast. It has all the goodies, all the pops.
Very quick.
This thing is very fast. My camera is dying here, so like I said, I'm gonna wrap it up here. So thank you so much to the homie.
Of course, bro.
Homie
Anytime.
Josh.
Yep.
Follow him, snow.mark7.
That's my car account, or Josh Elias, 2 H's, 2 S's on Instagram.
If you think he's handsome and you want to touch his pee-pee. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. This was a lot of fun to make. Next, I'm gonna probably review the 340i, the M340i over there. That car looks really fun. I want to review that.
So sick.
Stick around for something like that. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe. If you liked it, drop a like down below. And as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. Alright, it's recording.
What's going on, guys?
Shut up, Josh.
RoyTheBoy YouTube here.
Nobody cares.
You want to go to call the cops?
No.
I'll name it.
Cops aren't real.